Hi makers, I'm Christine and welcome back to the Thing-A-Day Maker Challenge. Today's thing, banana bread. So I'm a fan of having banana bread recipes that are based on the number of bananas that you have available for bread. So today it'll be banana bread. Let's see, in my trusty recipe book here I have a couple of good ones. Oh, here's the one for 3 bananas. If you're not sure if your baking powder is still good, if it's expired, you can actually test it with water. If you put a pinch in water and it fizzes, it's still good. It's fizzing. So sea salt, so it's a little gray. Then a cup of brown sugar. I do leave my measuring cups in some of my things so I don't have to dirty them multiple times. This one's 1/3 cup. So let's see, it needs a cup. All right, 1, 2. And I just leave it a little mounded so I don't have to press it down with my hands and get them sticky. Close enough. I measure cinnamon with my heart. Actually going to reserve a little bit of this so I can toss the chips and nut pieces in it so they don't sink. Okay, so this says no more brown sugar lumps, then make a well in the middle. We're going to use the all edges pan today so that I don't have to wait an hour for this to bake. This will bake in about half the time as a loaf pan. We still do spray it with a little oil though.